This is the market. Dito si market. Si market ay may sinasabing aangat ako, may sinasabing bababa ako. Ang ayaw ni market para bumaba siya is very high inflation. Ayaw ni market yan in general. Kasi pag mataas ang inflation, kung mangyayari kay market dyan, i-increase din niya ang rates. Ibig sabihin ng interest rates is hindi ka makakautang. So, it will have less supply of currency, less supply of transaction inside the market. Kaya si market in general, this could be a equity market, no? Crypto, all of that. Ayaw niya tong mga conditions na to. So, if you notice, ngayon, if you're gonna drill it down, from 8%, ibinabagsak niya to for 3.8%. So, there is a massive significance. Mga equity market na yan or crypto market na yan, gustong-gusto niya yung mga ganyan. Kasi pag bumaba yung inflation, ibababa ko din ang rates. So, meaning people will have buying power to purchase and yung demand and supply will be affected. The demand can increase and at the same time, the supply can also increase. So, pag nag-supply nagkaroon increase, kikita ngayon yung mga ito. So, forward-looking na ni market yan at a 6 months to 9 months ahead period. Gusto-gusto ni market yan.